over here, you know, in Africa, there's this perception that here in Jamaica, weed is legalized.
Weed?
Yeah. Is it legalized or illegalized? Is it illegal or it's not?
To a mention, it's if you have a one split,
okay.
No police trouble you to one split.
Okay.
But if you have much,
that's what the issue is.
Right.
Okay.
But otherwise, they have what they call here ganja for medicine.
Ganja for medicine, okay.
Yeah, so they use the ganja for medicine. So they have like greenhouses.
Okay.
It costs a lot of money.
Okay.
And you have to have enough money to buy those places.
Okay.
And when you get out a license.
Okay, for that.
Government give you a license.
Okay.
And you.
Okay, so when you have the license, you can have in much quantities.
Yes.
Okay, because you have the license.
But they say it's for medicine.
For medical purpose. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
But you know,
people don't.
People still smoking.
So, do everybody in Jamaica smoke?
No.
Weed? No. Not everyone.
Not everyone.
Really?
Just
percentage wise?
Just a point. I don't know what to say. That I don't want to say about half, because you have more Ruralian people than church people. The only church people that smoke ganja is the Rasta.
The Rasta is okay.
The Rasta.
Okay. Okay, we have church Rastas as well.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. So not everyone in Jamaica smoke weed.
No.
Wow. Man, we think everybody in Jamaica smokes weed, you know?
You have people in Jamaica that smoke cigarette and don't smoke weed. Yes.
Wow.
Because weed is, if you can't manage it, you need to leave it.
You leave it, okay.
A lot of people smoke weed, and when they smoke, after they smoke the weed, they start to do strange things.
Okay. So just like Africa, it's just in Ghana. Okay.
And the weed here is very strong.
Yeah, the original one, the organic one, the authentic.
Yes. Lick off your brain.
Okay. So do you have fake weeds over here as well?
What?
Fake weed. Fake weed. You know, in Ghana we have the high grade.
Yeah, we have a high grade here. We have that different
different. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we have a different. Okay.
Yeah, so maybe it's the same thing, but you call it different names.
Yeah, we have high grade. We have the Boca and Hamenasia. They have a names that they call it, but they say that like the cheap ones are the one that destroys the youth.
Yes.
Like it gives you that kind of level and Okay. So over here too, you have the different types of weed.
Yes.
Wow.
Different types of weed.
Wow. And even we make this joke about in Ghana that if you want to be a barbering man or want to open a barbering salon, you shouldn't open in Jamaica because everyone is a Rasta man. But it's not true. Not everyone is a Rasta man in Jamaica.
No.
Wow.
You have Rasta man, you have dreadlocks.
Okay. And how do society see those with dreadlocks and the Rasta? How do society see them? Because in Ghana, when you have a dread or you have a Rasta, society see you to be a different person. Like kind of they target a kind of name. Even recently there was a guy, a Rasta guy, a Rastafarian guy who wanted to go to a high school. There was a school that didn't accept him because of the Rasta. Over here, do you have that kind of situation over here too? No,
not really.
No.
If you are a Rasta, if your parents are Rasta and you growing up as a Rasta, you can go to school with your locks.
Rasta, okay.
But you put it underneath the tongue.
And it's okay. You
cover it.
Okay. But society doesn't tag you as a bad person, like criminal, you know. In Ghana, they do have tag, like they do have that kind of influence.
In a sense, because when you're a Rasta here, people look at you different.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you have on the other side you have Rasta that is in high places in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You understand? So it's kind of two sides.
The two sides, okay.
But you have someone we call Bobo Dread.
Bobo Dread, okay.
Bobo Dread, they don't have no sense.
Are they Rastas as well?
Yeah.
They are Rastas?
Yeah, some man just grow here.
Okay.
Because them nasty.
Oh, okay. So they're not the natural kind of Rasta.
Yeah, the natural kind of Rasta is decent.
Okay, the decent one. Oh, okay.
Natural.
Okay. Oh, okay. Then I think the natural one is more like inheritance, like generation kind of. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Man, this some deep conversation over here. So the deep, like the original Rastas, those people are very neat and decent.
That's
But
right.
the bubble Rastas are the naughty ones. Yeah. Okay,
And
man.
we have some here that is bubble, we call them bubble dread.
Okay.
And they have a camp.
Okay.
They have a camp that they stay, they reside there. And they worship there. They have a big church there.
Okay.
And they do all kind of
Stuff over there.
stuff there.
Wow.
When they are in their church, I hear they burn a lot of weed.
Oh, in the church.
In the church.
Yo, weed teacher, you need to come to Jamaica. We have a guy in Ghana called weed teacher.
Yeah.
Like weed teacher. He said we're gonna open church and have the church annex where we be smoking weed. Oh, so they smoke weed in the church on the Bobo Rasta side.
That's different type of weed because they don't wrap the weed within the wizard. They put chalice.
Oh, okay.
So it's a lot of weed burning.
Wow.
Yes, and chant.
Okay, the chants kind of okay, like incense, like how the Catholic do the incense,
Yeah.
burning of the okay. So they burn the weeds as a chant. Wow.
Burn it and sniff it.
They
out.
sniff it out.
And chat a lot of garbage. and that's church.
Yeah. Wow. The bubble dread.
Bubble Rasta.
Bubble Rasta.
So
Yeah.
the place that they live, they call it Bubble Hill.
Bubble Hill. Okay.
Yes, because it's all bubble up there.
Wow.
Bubble.
I think I need to come back again for a longer period.
Yes.
So that I'll be able to, because
Yes,
this.
that's right.
Yeah, my 7 days is very small. I need to come back again.
Spend 2 weeks here, man.
Yeah.
Take you to lots of places.
Yeah, even 1
and
month
see
to be.
lots of things.
I'll come back again. Like Jamaica is interesting, man. Jamaica is really
I'm gonna
interesting.
let you meet one of the bubble.
Okay, Jamaica is really interesting, bro. Trust me, really interesting, Jamaica. Wow.
That bubble gonna tell you a lot of things.
Okay.